Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyaf'al to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit the pronouns below? Liyaf'al simply means he should do. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb liyaf'al to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liyaf'al will now become li'af'al, which means I should do. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liyaf'al will now become linaf'al, which means we should do. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and ya'un. So we go and borrow alifun so as to make it pronounceable. The question is, what kind of vowel sound are we going to give the borrowed alif? So the third letter determines the kind of vowel sound that we are going to read the borrowed alif with. Alifun being the first letter, and faun is the second letter, and ainun is the third letter. Ainun being the third letter is taking fataha, so we are going to give the borrowed alif kasra, which is the opposite of fataha. So the verb liyaf'al will now become if'al, which means you should do, commanding a single male person. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb liyaf'al will now become if'ali, which means you should do, commanding a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyaf'al to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liyaf'al will now become litaf'al, which means she should do. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb if'al can only be used to command a single male person to do something. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb if'al. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb if'al will now become if'ala, which means you should both do. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb if'al will now become if'alu, which means you should all do, commanding a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wawun, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling us that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb, rather it is an extra letter. Then we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb if'ali can only be used to command a single female person to do something. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb, if'ala. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in if'ali with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb if'ali will now become if'alna, which means you should all do, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. ليفعل خالد المعروف. ليفعل خالد المعروف. A Khalid should do what is right. Al-Ma'ruf means something that is right. It's something that is acceptable in society. So ليفعل خالد المعروف. A Khalid should do what is right. Ithnan, number two. لتفعل زينب الخير. لتفعل زينب الخير. Zainab should do something good, or Zainab should do good thing. لتفعل زينب الخير. Zainab should do good thing. ثلاثة, number three. افعل واجب الفصل يا زينب يا زيد. افعل واجب الفصل يا زيد. So افعل واجب الفصل, do the classwork. يا زيد زيد. افعل واجب الفصل, do the classwork. يا زيد زيد. أربعة, number four. افعلي واجب الفصل يا زينب. افعلي واجب الفصل, افعلي واجب المنزل يا زينب. افعلي واجب المنزل, do the homework. يا زينب زينب. افعلي واجب المنزل, do the homework. يا زينب زينب. خمسة, number five. افعل الخير. افعل الخير, you should both do good thing, commanding Khalid and Hashim. ستة, number six. لأفعل المعروف. لأفعل المعروف, I should do the right thing. لأفعل المعروف, I should do the right thing. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة, number seven. لنفعل الامتحان اليوم. لنفعل الامتحان اليوم, we should do the examination today. لنفعل الامتحان, we should do the examination اليوم today. ثمانية, number eight. لنفعل الاختبار غدا. لنفعل الاختبار غدا. لنفعل الاختبار, we should do the test غدا tomorrow. تسعة, number nine. افعلوا ما شئتم يا إخوة. افعلوا ما شئتم, you should do whatever you like. يا إخوة, brothers. افعلوا ما شئتم, you should do whatever you like. يا إخوة, brothers. عشرة, number 10. افعلن ما شئتن يا أخوات. افعلن ما شئتن يا أخوات. افعلن ما شئتن, you should all do whatever you like. يا أخوات, sisters, commanding a group of female persons. افعلن ما شئتن, you should all do whatever you like. يا أخوات, sisters. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.